selling no fucking pit bulls. Dog shit in the living room. Pull up where you living, I know fuck nigga that ain't gon' be living soon. The gang got tighter than vintage crew. I don't live the who, still ain't scratch shit off the list for dudes. Ain't no gin and juice, gon' fuck with Trisha till my liver through. The road I spread is still your boo. Rolling gas up in the stool. Rolling off a hitter, bitch, my balls feel like sticky glue. Rolling nigga in jail, hit my phone, said they injured cool. Lil' bro missing screws, I told him to scam me, still wanna lift his tool. Counting bands, think I'm walking lick, whole time them nigga that shoes. Silly fool, can't outrun the stick, go switch your tennis shoes. He never did a hit or touch the switch, that nigga giving clues. Puppy size, how the fuck he have his blick and lose? Hope on them get appeals, I got savages living through my meals. He give me cheers when niggas be mentioning drills, I done did a few. Different bills, 30 on me and meals, any 60s too. 62, break the wheel, the shit a ditch you cool. Pack before I spent the bill, she Saint Laurent, no Jimmy shoes. Baby treat my dick like food, bag got my genitals. Bag come in plentiful, cash come identical. Say she ain't got them racks, I don't brag, ain't got shit to prove. Had it last time, babe, my bad, I don't remember you. I'm with some thick and cute, I'm off these meds, feeling invincible. Catch them down bad, I'ma blast off the principal. Like up in the roof, slack, I just slid it through. Chopper bullets in the pistol fool, one clip KO groove. Staying something fast, fuck the feds, ain't no interview. I watched your homie bleed, knew what's up before it hit the news. Know the dead, I see you to him. Want that man, I give him to you. I heard what he said, but I'm gon' play like I ain't even hella cool. Kid, your friend can't get to you.